Hey, party preset people, what's going on? Trey Ratcliff here, and I've released some new presets that I'm so excited about. These are my festival presets, and they are for Lightroom and Luminar. So I'm going to take you on a quick run here. I'm going to start by showing you some of my favorite samples, and then I'll make one very quickly in Luminar, and then also make one over in Lightroom. Okay, so let's go. Now, these presets, they explore several different sorts of looks. This is one of my favorite ones. You'll see this kind of theme repeated again and again. This is a variation on that. Works great with architecture. We have black and white ones that look pretty cool, like 5 or 6 black and white options that give you sort of a nice look. Hey, it looks great with kids, you know. And speaking of that, it doesn't just have to be like festivals. You can use these presets in any situation. Here's just some random examples of how I've used it. This is in Papua New Guinea. It's my old assistant Tane there. This is up in Chengdu, China. So even though I call these presets for festivals, it's just sort of an idea around it, because I think maybe like a lot of the marketing and a lot of the sample stuff that you see is from festivals, like this one. I've been going to music and art festivals around the world for the past 8 years, and slowly I've been collecting these. Some of these are kind of like blown out, a little crazy. I think you can have different kinds of extremity, you know, with these sorts of situations, because they are sort of extreme environments, so it gives you license to try new things. This great statue called Embrace. Another one, this light up tree. And, you know, sometimes when you're in these moments, you just have such amazing feelings, and you want to bring that out in your work. And so that's how I came up with these presets. We have all these different kind of sandstormy ones too. I explore about 7 or 8 different sandstorm themes. Very simple, some very clean looks, interiors, exteriors, that really nice kind of feeling. Here's the sandstormy one again, just love it. It just kind of gives things a magical, theatrical, kind of timeless feel. All right, another sandstormy one. Okay, so let's start by, we'll jump into Luminar, and we'll make a quick sample one, and then we'll go over to Lightroom, and we'll make a quick sample one there so I can show you how fun and easy it is. Okay, here we are in Luminar with the image already processed. You can see it. By the way, if you don't know much about Luminar, never used it, I highly recommend it. I enjoy editing photos better in Luminar than Lightroom. I think it's faster, there's way more options, just incredible product. It's got another nice feature, by the way, when you have these different presets, is you get to see thumbnails of the presets before you actually click on them, right? And I think the results are just incredible. So you don't have to click on the presets, you get a really good idea just by looking down at it, right? And so let's say you click on a preset, maybe it's a little too extreme for you. Again, you can kind of see the before and after. Luminar has this wonderful thing with presets. They have a slider down there, like, well, hey Trey, I like that preset, but it's a little too much, right? Just grab the slider and drag it down. So you can do 50% of the preset, or just a little bit. So you see sort of a sliding scale there, isn't that cool? So you can do whatever you like. We get over here into some of the sandstormy ones. And different ones look different. It totally depends on the photo that you put into it, right? I think this one's kind of nice, this sandstorm attack kind of feel. Again, you can slide the slider up and down to do some adjustments. And if you really want to get into it, you can go over here on the right and do different sorts of adjustments over here. Add filters. This is not going to be a long Luminar tutorial. I do have a deeper dive. By the way, this one's my favorite, Apple PewDiePie. Man, I think it's great. Well, anyway, I do have longer videos that show more about how Luminar works and how you can bring more power into these presets. Okay, let's go do a quick sample in Lightroom. Okay, starting out here with Apple PewDiePie, one of my favorites, alphabetical order, so I put it at the top. And you see we have all the same presets that are in Luminar. Right? Let's try a few different ones here just for fun. Black and white ones always look surprisingly good. This one's called B&W Afternoon Chill Out. Isn't that nice? Going down here, we'll try one of the sandstorm ones. We'll do sandstorm max blast. It's whatever feeling you want to do with your photo, right? It's your world. You get to create what you want to create, right? And then, of course, if you want to, come over here and see all the little tools on the right and make further adjustments to make it tweak out for your particular photo. Well, all right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. I have longer videos with more deep dives that show you how to really get into the controls. All the links you need are down below if you want to get the preset pack. If you want to try Luminar, it's a great product. You'll love it. Links to my store and all other kinds of social media kind of stuff. All right, you guys. Love you and see you soon.